Okay, I just want to prove this angle quickly. You can see we are 90 degrees. I'm going to switch the phone off. Okay, and I'm going to put on the camera. There's the shadow line. Okay, you can clearly see the shadow line. You can clearly see the sun. Okay, coming back. Okay, I'm going to switch back again. That's the shadow line. Okay, we're going to switch back to the compost. That's 90 degrees. You can judge for yourself where's the shadow line. Okay, then I'm going to quickly go to Google. Okay, there's my position again. All live. Okay, I'm standing on the corner. This obviously it will, yeah, come. You see it's moving slightly. I'm standing just in front of the. You see the pond there. Oh yeah, and then look at the north button there. Okay, that is from Google. Okay, that can be a GPS, mechanical north. They all look very similar in the same direction. This house to me is built basically true north if you look at shadows, but you can clearly see this where I'm standing. You can clearly see the angle. You can clearly see if I moved in. Okay, there's Johannesburg. I'm south of Johannesburg. There's look at the angle. That is South Africa. There's the pole. Okay. The sun is coming, if I must judge, 20 degrees off. So it almost comes from the corner now. Comes from this go arrow. They're more or less there. That's 20 degrees. Or 120 degrees from north. That's where the sun's coming from. Okay? It's a 180 degree difference between what the flat earth map is actually saying and what the sun is doing. It's a completely 180 degree error. Okay? The sun is really, I will show a video, another part of the video in the evening, showing you exactly the same, but just on the other side, just on sunset. Okay, it's doing exactly the same. 12 o'clock, the sun will be 100% above us. It's summer, southern hemisphere. The sun sits very high. Okay, so it curves. It comes in on a curve and it curves around towards the south pole. We don't need to go to the South Pole to go and look at the 24-hour sun. We don't need to go and fly over the South Pole to see if it exists. What this video proves is the curve of the sun in the summer. I don't think you can see this from the northern hemisphere. I don't think you can see the curve and the angle if you're on the other side of the globe. You can only see and observe the curve. January, maybe December, January, high summer in the south. In the winter, you cannot see this. The sun goes north and the curve disappears. Okay, the curve inverts, the curve goes the other way due to the fact that it's winter and the sun sits then very much north. Okay, I can actually show it to you as well. There's no time on, yeah, maybe I can quickly show it. If you look, I go into this Google Earth photo. Okay, it's all live. If I go into if you go and look at the house, this is done in the winter. Look, the grass is completely dry. Look at the shadows of the trees, okay? And look at the arrow. Look there. You can see the shadows. You can see the north. It's in the morning. The sun comes from the opposite side. It comes from the north. The shadows is completely towards the south, okay? This is winter. That's why you will not see this curve in the winter, okay? It would be very much true then to the flat earth map. The flat earth map would be then 100% correct, but it's only in the winter. In the summer it inverts. It's not perspective, okay, because then the opposite should be true. It's not a reflection. I had all kinds of explanation on this video. It's just pure basic common sense, real-time video, a real-time photo video that shows the sun is coming from 120 degrees off the north, which means it is coming from the south. Okay, it's circulating the south. Okay, there's nothing we can do about this. This is what it is. The data proves for itself. The sun comes way back, and it would show in Australia, New Zealand, South America and South Africa the same data. Thank you.